This is the OnePlus NORD in gorgeous marble blue color. When it comes to playing PUBG Mobile, you require a good processor, a high battery life with a fast charger and good RAM. Well, the OnePlus NORD has pretty much impressive specs to play the PUBG Mobile, at least on paper. We will see in this video if the internals of this beauty is powerful enough to take you to the battleground at 60 FPS. Yes, you heard it right. You can play the PUBG Mobile on OnePlus NORD at 60 FPS, and that also in the official way without risking your account getting banned, with a small workaround which I'll be showing you in this video. But before that, if you have by any chance landed new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button below so that you never miss an awesome tech update from my side. Having done that, let us get into the video, shall we? OnePlus NORD comes with 765G Snapdragon octa-core processor, which is a really good processor at this price point. OnePlus NORD comes with a 415 mAh battery and 30 watt warp fast charger at this price point. This much battery life and with fast charger will be the heaven for PUBG Mobile players, as they always require higher battery life and fast charging. RAM also plays a crucial part while playing games like PUBG Mobile. OnePlus NORD comes with 3 different RAM variants, 6, 8 and 12GB, and this one with me is the 8 128GB variant. So let us first see the performance at the default settings available on the NORD out of the box, which is maxed out up to Smooth Plus Ultra, which is supposed to give 40 FPS and till HD high. And later we shall see how to enable the extreme frame rate option as well. I have set the settings to Smooth Ultra first, and let's see the gameplay now. As you can see, the device is performing exceptionally well with no lag at all, and I cannot feel any frame drops at all. I was not able to fire up the FPS meter on this device till now, but the gameplay is very smooth and I can feel the device is offering a constant frame rate of 40 FPS. Now we shall enable the extreme frame rate option with a little workaround, which is absolutely safe. I am taking the help of GFX tool, which is available at Play Store, so it is absolutely safe to use, and after installing, it might ask for some basic permissions which it needs to tweak the settings of the game. Select the frame rate as 60 FPS and the version as the global version. Make the changes just as I am doing and let all the other options remain as it is. Now you will get the option to play the game, so let's see what options are available now. As you can see in the graphics settings, the Smooth Extreme option is unlocked now, and also you can play maxed out up to HD Extreme, which is great, and this should give us 60 FPS throughout our gameplay. So let us test it. First, we are playing at Smooth Extreme option. Pardon me as I am still a noob in PUBG, but I must say the hype of this device was worth it because NORD is not leaving behind any bars in terms of its performance. Even at smooth extreme graphics settings, I did not face any lags or frame drops, and I must say at 60 FPS coupled with the 90Hz display panel, the game does really feel much smoother than the ultra settings running the game at 40 FPS. Now let us test the device at the current maxed out graphics settings at HD+EXTREME, which should again deliver a constant 60 FPS frame rate throughout the gameplay.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time! Dead! Enemy down! The blue team!
Well, we should not get our hopes too high for a mid-range processor, but still it is performing at par with its competitors. In the current HD+EXTREME graphics settings, it feels the processor is somewhat struggling to maintain the constant frame rate at 60 FPS, but still it is doing a pretty good job at it. The game is not lagging at all, but I can clearly feel that the device is not able to maintain a constant frame rate at 60 FPS with the HD settings, and at certain times the frame is dropping around by 5 or so. But again, since this is a mid-range processor, we should not expect it to perform like the flagships such as 855. And also now I am starting to feel warmer at the back near the camera region, but in no way is it getting irresistibly hot unlike other devices, even after about an hour of gameplay. So the frame drops may also be due to thermal throttling of the processor, which is actually dependent upon the temperature of the environment. So finally, it is possible to play PUBG Mobile at 60 FPS with extreme frame rate enabled on the OnePlus NORD, and the device performs excellent at smooth settings, in which you would be playing most of the time, but it is still capable to deliver acceptable performance even at the HD settings. So that is all for this video, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like for this video and also share it with your friend. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel before leaving. See you in another awesome episode. Till then, peace out.